Ribadisela Mafhungo a SABC uva pano Auckland Park, Johannesburg. Twi Mafhungo maurwane nga chino chipinga kea.
It is important that we take action as and when evidence is investigated and pointed out.
Marangoli Musa wabu chuchi serushaka NPA advocate bo endi mutivi waribadeseze sangamanda kabugebenga hauto zizanywao.
Uneba kulibana na milandu ishika 47. Eye milandu richiko amba milandu ya ubulaya batu wonoshika tahe.
Mumbulelwa wa mingwa fuina ntihi odinacheza tichini cha mapolisa vundunila Limpopo maarugana na mulandu wa mabulayo awita la magabiro andinda kombo ya rufu kati na gufura.
I don't remember a moment when we're called to Free State to deal with the question of corruption committed by Comrade Lekota.
Namusi ofaro mushumo wa ererwa maranga panda wale horo la kou bo musi wa Lekota. Da ni madekwa na aribadisela Mafhungo pano ka SABC 2 SABC Plus na kali hai. Maranguri Musa wabu chuchi serushaka NPA advocate bo endi mutivi barabadeseze sangamanda kabugebenga otuzizanywao buchinyi bune haitero of makazi na bana abamkana mingwe milandu eniangataka komishini ya urangura mubuso nga batu banda na akaya majanga bo mutivi boribo atikezo ya muhasho abaramkanyi ya ukunisa mingwe yesezao kaurichi miswa cha NPA chikono dimisa siani la mashirini na kushumere.
Muranguri Musa chimiswa cha uchuchisi ya rushaka ramina yu endi mutivi variba doshi msa vato disisi wa NPA utewela milandu ini ya kubaka komishini ya todisi ya majanga.
And this is a deliberate action that we took because it is important that we take action as and when evidence is investigated and pointed out to, and hence this collaboration with the SAP to deal with the Madanga outcomes based on the first interim report that was presented to the president. As it has been reported now, they are expected to hand the second interim report, I think in May. Again, based on that report, we will act.
Vomutivi vari vakuvona una ndeme ya kukwatisa tsereredzo kavote vane vakwasha mkumbu wa neme.
Its coverage is not wide enough to cover other whistleblowers that are outside of the employer-employee environment. The Protected Disclosures Act, if you read it now, currently, it limits the protection to those who disclose wrongdoing, but in the employer-employee relations space.
Vomutivi vari votola chimiswa cha NPA eva topola zvinezva kotaila kakushumele. Vari muhasho wa vuramkanyi wotendori ushandukise mulayo uri utendele chimiswa cha NPA chichidimisanga chothe siyana na mashileni ubva kha muhasho wa vuramkanyi. Vomutivi vari muhasho wa vuramkanyi ukaditudza ngamanda kha ushumana na milandu ya vuchinyi wandawo zvine vakhodoshumesa khazvo nga chino chipinga cha vaniwa chone.
Presidente Bosira Ramaphosa bachipinira mbwiso parliament nibo kaidza ananga khedu ya njisezo ya madi hebari eziko kwamba mabindu na mabaya mutsiko kanyaruo ya economy.
An unreliable supply of water to our people places a heavy burden on their lives and the ability of businesses to operate and thus to grow our economy. That is why in the State of the Nation address in February, I directed the establishment of the National Water Crisis Committee, which we now call WaterCom, to ensure a coordinated response to the water crisis. Work is currently underway to finalize the National Water Action Plan and to establish to get the committee to start its proceedings, which it will do this coming week. It is expected that it will be completed by the end of March in terms of the water plan.
Presidente Ramaphosa abakazwi kwamaho komishini ya madlanga eni ya kusedzulusa zwiito zwa vhutshinyi kha vhulamukanyi vho kaedza uri muvhigo wa komishini iyo a u tea u bviswa tsedzuluso dzi sathu khonyeledzwa. Presidente vho dovha hafhu vha fhindula mbudziso i kwamaho zwa dzilafho kana ndindakhombo ya lushaka ya zwa mutakalo kana NHI.
To ensure that these matters are given the necessary attention, I directed the Minister of Police as well as the National Commissioner to constitute a special investigation task team reporting directly to the Commissioner. The team will institute investigations against those identified by the Commission for such investigations. Matters that require disciplinary action are currently being attended to by the relevant departments. And some are resulting in suspensions and some are resulting in immediate disciplinary processes that are now underway.
The Masiari President,
Masiari Abuti.
You have rightfully noted that NHI is South Africa's vehicle for universal health coverage, ensuring that our people no longer suffer the catastrophic healthcare expenditure that normally sinks our families because of the huge costs. You also highlighted that a significant majority of specialists in our hospital are only currently saving a fraction of the people, especially in the private sector. Given these stark disparities, Mr. President, could you further profile for the nation in this House the transformative benefits the NHI fund will bring to bridge this gap?
Mwana ane arwara emahayani ufanele uri akona ujena sibadela ayotolwa ngazinqanga zofunzeaho bukhulu. That's a specialist. Bakono mutola, bakono murapa.
Muhulwane wa tshigwada tshilwaho na vhutshinyi ho tou dzudzanywaho vho imiswaho mushumoni wa Richard Sibiri vho hanedza zwino tshipiḓa tsha tshitatamennde tshe tsha itwa nga ṱhanzi mbili malugana na tsedzuluso dza bulayo ḽa vho Amarswat ḽe ḽa itea Vereeniging. Vho Sibiri vho amba izwi nga vhuṱanzi he a ṋetshedzwa kha khomishini nga ṱhanzi mbili dzine dza khou vhidzwa A na B, zwi tshi katela na vhuṱanzi ha Sejeni Vho Ndlela vhe vha vha tshipiḓa tsha tsedzuluso dza bulayo iḽo.
This is the statement of Sergeant Ndlela that you had provided as an annexure to your statement.
Yes.
Which is the written statement that was, I think it's the 7th of July, 2025, right? That's the one you were referring to. In paragraph 4, he deals with the meeting and he says, on our arrival at General's office, he informed us on how sensitive and dangerous is this case and how connected are the suspects. He further informed us that he got the information that the suspects are planning to bring a bag full of money for us so that they can be freed, failing which a hit is coming for us.
I see.
Do you confirm his recollection of what you said to them?
He wrote it in his own words, but it's not how I said it.
Okay. You didn't mention a bag full of money?
I did.
Okay. So where's the difference?
The difference is where it says the heat is coming for you.
Okay. There wasn't, are you saying that you didn't tell them about a hit?
No, I'm saying how it is phrased. It's different to how I said it.
Okay, what do you recall how you said it?
I said there will be a bribe brought to you.
Mumbulirwa wa ming'wa ya fuinanti odhinecheza chini cha mapolisa vunduni la Limpopo marugana na murandu wa maburayo awitela magavero andinda kombo ya rufu kati na bupura zezo atumanywa na polisa wa kare bo Rachel Kutumela ezizikosia chibaro cha batu wanafarao kamurandu uyu chichishuka fumi na muti bo Kutumela na ngwanyana wabo muratu na karazi bo fara ngamwa kuri 2024 na gidi 2025 mukara wabo na karazi zabo mbiri bo farwa na bangwa bambulero bararu inobege Mungwa bahumburerwa kamurandu wa maburayo ani akwamazwa ndinda kombo odhenecheza mapolisani one akolibana na mirandu ya maburayo ani akwamazwa ndinda kombo bose jini Kutumela mwana wabo na karazi yabo vako dosenga kote kurane apulukwane na hone karazi yabo bo Johannes Shokane nabone murandu wabo ufikisarwa panda kala 2005 la tafamuwe one bako humbureri bo buyerwanga mashireni a milioni za randa za fumi.
We've got 10 suspects. We are looking for Robert Shokane, 41-year-old Robert Shokane, who is a twin. His twin brother appeared today in court. There is a J50 warrant of arrest for him. We have made contact with him and we have requested him yesterday already to hand himself over to the nearest police station. He is wanted in the same case. We do believe he's facing similar charges.
Rachel Kutumela karazi yabo bane bababo Thomas bo William Shokwane muna wabo na Toya Chikoro bo David Kutumela kati na mozoro wabo bo Damaris Lepe kati na maine bo Benedicta Mataba na bo Martha Ritas voti wanajastu kufala koti ya magistrata wa Pulukwane Murova na hone murandu wabo wa Prisera Panda kala 2005 la tafamuwe uitero techiriswa habeili. Vo Rachel Kutumela karazi yabo bane bababo Thomas na William Shokwane muna wabo na Toya Chikoro bo David Kutumela kati na muzwara wabo bo Damaris Lepe kati na maine bo Benedicta Mataba na bo Martha Ritas vo diwana jastu kufala koti ya magistrata wa Pulukwane Murova na hone murandu wabo wofesera panda kala 2005 la tafamuwe uitero techereswa habeili.
Aba bathu bothe bakushika bafumi zwa zwino hune bakolibana na milandu iswikaho 47 eye milandu ri tshi khou amba milandu ya u vhulaya vhathu vho no swika ṱahe na milandu ya vhufhura milandu ine yavha yo dzumbetshedza masheleni hune kha u dzumbetshedza hone masheleni vha khou dzumbetshedza uri hayo masheleni vhubva hao vhu sa vhonali
vahumbulelwa vothe bakolibana na milandu ya fuina sumbe na milandu ya sumbe ya vhufhura na u dzumbetshedza vhubva ha masheleni. Va songo tuchera kule richibuya riabuya zone zino uskari. Kaguru hapo uwatanganiza pano ka SABC 2 SABC Plus na kali hai. Na musio faramushumo erwa maranga panda wale horo la Cope bo musiwa Lekota.
The task I had required discipline, patience, and principled leadership, and Lekota approached his duties with seriousness and unwavering dedication. As a person that worked with him in the National Executive Committee of the ANC and the Working Committee, I don't remember a moment when we're called to Free State to deal with the question of corruption committed by Comrade Lekota. He was a balanced man, a solid comrade. It is essential also to acknowledge that Mr. Lekota was not without flaws. Like any leader, he made mistakes throughout or in some occasions of his career. However, one undeniable aspect of his character is his unwavering commitment to the cause of struggle.
When terror was at his moment of weakness, Terra could no longer walk properly. Musiwa, at one stage, when we were sitting with him, did not recognize me. That's how sad it was. We came with Lazarus Zim, who's from the Free State here. Hey, Mshana, oh, Zim. I did not want to see Terra in that form. It was very clear that the sun is setting.
Muzorachidiri wa komiti ya bupiriri paramendeni wa Lekota Lekota bari cheo ya wisa masura mibinduni ya shango yodhisandikanga murayo section 201 uva kandi yotewa bari uyo murayo une amanda presidente uribaise masura mibinduni utikeza amapolisa kandi ngezoza utibara bugebenga izwi zikotebera wiswa masore kama bindu yapambana nawo utusa mapolisa.
The deployment of the National Defence Force is fully explained at the Act of the Constitution, Section 201, read with subsection 2, which clearly gives the prerogative to the President of the Republic to deploy the South African National Defence Force jointly with the police. Subsection 3 of that particular act, it clearly defines what needs to be done when the President do that particular deployment. He will have to furnish Parliament with the reasons, the location, the number of personnel involved, as well as the costs of that particular operation.
Zao zinarabadisela Mafhungo wa ekonomi hune randa ya wanarozika musichi mabedzwa na mamwe mashirini mawani alipasi. Dollar rand is 16 rands 72 cents, pound only 22.30 cents, euro only 19 rands 26 cents, pula Botswana only 1 rand 16 cents. Mikobe pala GSE ipasi. Cars vira za msuku ni 5,141, platinum ni 2,150, oil singo kuna kiswaho ni $100.58 ngafagi. Musi duba la fandra za barengi la lifasi lisatu pembererwa kano mapero abege mato ora berisa barengi bavundu la Limpopo bane bakatiba na maitere asyabudi ba muhasho wa mreziso ekonomi bari kakantori bari kachitriki cha bembe Capricorn na mupani obana chibaro cherenta cha maitere asikwao ka bukantori kama bindu kazwezwa seziwa ka mimwezi ire na chibaro vundu la Limpopo ndilo ne la doshirira butambo haupemberera duwa la lipasi la panero za barengi bune hadofarwa pala mankweng.
Vamashwa mveledziso ya ikonomi vari zvachitalura kha varengi uvambadza zvithu zvisi zvone uchitelo kunga varengi katina milayo irakatenderano dzine dzasainiswa varengi ndi zvimwe zva zvito zvine zvakhuvonala zvikhoanda vukuma vunduni la Limpopo. Bando chumo ya uvulunga, ndewe chumo ya dzigoroyi na mavengele ya urengisa thundu yonoshumaho ndione ane hakuta isori akoranga phanda kha zvito izvo zwa ufura varengi. Valuwa vathu vasungufunza yaho navo vane vakuchila na vuholefali ndivone vane vavesa khomboni khulu. Vo Elias nechitakani va minwaha ya fusumbesumbe navone votangana na dandetande lihulu nga murahu musi va khamphani ya tshumelo ya uvulunga vojiya masheleni avo a urenga tombo va fedza va sa dise ilo tombo.
Ro tangana na vuthada uri muthu wa machari o dzhia tshelede kha riṋe ari u ḓo ri itela tombo ḽa mukomana wanga ho muthanga ra mufha dzi tshelede a fhedza o ṱuwa na tshelede a si tsha dovha a ita tshithu tshiṅwe tshithu.
Mwalu wavo vari ndingedzo dzavo dza u wana masheleni avo murahu ubva kha khamphani iyo ya uvulunga yo no valaho a dzingwanwa mitshelo.
Ri tshiri tshelede ha wana tshelede ya tsha tenda u vhuya ende tombo a ḽo ngo itiwa wo muthu ori ri tshi sedza muthu one a tea uri a vule mulandu ra wana uri ndi tshipiḓa tshine ra ṱoḓa ri khou tshimbila nṱha na fhasi nga ndavha ya uri a ri na tshiṅwe tshithu na tshelede a ri na yo tshimbila.
Vha muhasho wa mveledziso ya ikonomi vha ri vhunzhi ha khaedu idzi dzi khou vhangwa nga uri khamphani nnzhi a dzi tevheli mulayo dzina maitele a vhufhura kha vharengi.
As the Limpopo Provincial Department, of course, we are hard on this and we will not let that slide or let that go because we will not allow such clauses to be there and disadvantage consumers. And another thing we have noted also is that because people, most of them don't know their consumer rights, they let certain things go.
Muhasho kuitira khwelelo vharengi vhane vha khou ṱangana na khaedu idzi uri vha ḓe vha vhige ofisini dza muhasho uyu dzo fhambananaho u mona na vunḓu.
Aiwa, anamusi riagadzane pa artengana ya puma chero. Da.
Kwera kwa tani zonezo zori kurasa mchashu mari kwa kala machero kwa msi kwa namsi kezi mira kuna kasupita zero nzo vundula mpomana katisa zoni spita vundula lipoponia kasupita ukara shoni makora sokota hote mne makorani alar kodo furawana kasupita zoni zo kopera pizza chakala machero do furo mvula kruke zlas kodo hasu dana zo tnemanda kasupita zoni zo vundula mpomana kara vundula lipoponia ukati shango arwa zo kolebirwa ni mchoma makora sokota hote onia mchono lar kodo furawana kana kasupita zori zo kopera pizza diwana tizo zenza hone no kusmitsoro unamvura kezla zikuna za zorolu kasupita zori ndi za debula honia chakala machero ko doporo mvula zezla so kudzana zo nemanda kasipita zizwi onera doporo wana na mcho wa mkiso paulaho kasipita zo kobela pala kapa ona ngasia ona khoredzo za mulio ya mataka ngatola pizza zo ndo bva phanda ramadalo samro trom piso ujikalwa nga degree celsius mana South Africa shimero ko thoma avunza shino bora la gautenda kone ndi mchwamvuro no kolewa kala machero pizza za 22 broken space za 20 springs katina 21 turboni ya Johannesburg chaka vundla ya nila bora ndivunda lipopo nane par kwa mchwamvura kasipita zo vunduli pizza za 22 pala pulkwane 28 pala kati na 24 pone bora ndiamkopana chipira panda chaka vundula bora ndivundula mpomalanga nane par kwa mchwamvura kasipita zo vunduli pizza za 21 machine katina 25 skokuza katina 24 pone bora ndiamobela chipira panda chaka vundula bora ndivundo la KwaZulu Natal nane par kwa mcho wa mvula kezlas kuonela kazino spita zo vunduli pizza za 28 pala Lady Smith za 30 Pietermaritzburg kati na 28 Durban bora ndia Durban kavundula bora ndivundula Eastern Cape ndi mcho makola songuta hotika spita zo vunduli pizza za 32 pala komani za 32 mtata 30 Eastern katina 35 pone bore ndia makanda kavundula Western Cape ndi mchono bore mufiso kaura koma kavundweli unara kuona kezla skita 41 pala Glen Williams za 40 Fredendal katina 37 pone bore ndia Beaufort West mataka vundula bore ndivundula Northern Cape ndi mchwa mvula kezla skupana kasutezwa dibla zo vundweli pizza za 35 pala Uppington za 28 Kuruman katina 30 pone bore ndia Kimberley shibla panda chaka vundula bore ndivundula First Aid nane pandi mchowa mvula kasupida zhinji zwa dibla zo vundweli pizza za 22 pala Frankfurt za 22 Sasolburg katina 27 pone bore ndia Bothaville matazo no pesa ngvundula shino bore ndivundula Northwest na rekoro mchwa mvula ukubana zichikona ukoma kasupida zhinji zo vundweli pizza za 24 pala Rustenburg za 25 pala Maiken kati na 27 pone bore ndia Tosca matango ngarizo vakati fala mucho zo rafa zo marekona anotire uda usiku wa wode nda